All right, so in this video, this is lesson 22, dealing with complex sprite movements. We're looking at the practice activities. So this one happens to be rising bubble, and it said this program makes a bubble rise up the water. Can you make it faster as it rises? Add code to make the bubble speed up as it rises. Okay, so really, again, we're using the loop here to increment a value. We're making a value change each time it goes through the loop. In this case, because we're going rising up, and if we look at it right now, the bubble goes this way and it just kind of rises up. That's what's going on here. That's why you have the 0.5, the negative 0.5. So the velocity is getting less and less each time as it goes up, or it's just going up by negative 0.5. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to drag out that dot y, not dot x. Sorry about that. And we're going to increment this, right? So we're going to kind of, we need to use the math here, and we need to subtract each time from this velocity.y. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to go in here again, make sure you spell these correctly, mess them up, and your program won't work. So this is taking the original value of velocity y, and we're taking the original value and we're subtracting from it each time the loop goes through. So it's negative 0.5. Then the next time, depending on what we make here, it could be negative 0.6, negative 0.7 each time it goes through. So negative 6, and then it goes through again, negative 0.7, goes through the loop again, negative 0.8, goes through the loop again, negative 0.9, and so on. What we're going to actually do is I think I want to make it 0.2. Okay, so it's going to be less than, it's going to increase by 0.2 each time, so we're not going to, change it that drastically. But it will give it enough time as it goes up that it's going to accelerate as it goes. So let's just see what negative 0.2 does for that. Oops, oh, goodness. So this is negative 0.5. Because I have a subtraction here, two negatives make a positive, so I need to take out the negative. All right, so let's run that again. There we go. All right, much better. So really got to watch that a little bit. When you subtract a negative, you're making a positive there. So, all right, so that's how you make this one operate, and hopefully that helps you. Good luck.